In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2501, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, declared that whoever is silent is saved. This means the one who is silent from vain or evil speech and only speaks good words will be saved by Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds. This is important to understand, as the main reason people will enter hell is because of their speech. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2616. In fact, it only takes a single evil word to cause a person to plunge into hell on Judgment Day. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2314. Speech can be of three types. The first is evil speech, which should be avoided at all costs. The second is vain speech, which only causes one to waste time, which in turn will lead to a great regret on Judgment Day. In addition, the first step of sinful speech is often vain speech, so it is safer to avoid this type of speech. The final type is good speech, which should always be adopted based on these aspects. 2/3 of speech should be removed from one's life. In addition, the one who speaks too much will only reflect on their actions and the hereafter a little, as this requires silence. This will prevent one from assessing their deeds, which inspires one to perform more righteous deeds and sincerely repent from their sins. This person will then be prevented from changing for the better. Speaking too much will cause one to get involved in things which do not concern them. This always leads to trouble for oneself and others, such as fractured and broken relationships. In addition, the one who fails to avoid the things which do not concern them will not make their Islam excellent. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2317. Salvation lies in striving to make one's faith excellent. Speaking too much also leads to regular arguments and disagreements, which only causes stress for the speaker and others. Whereas, avoiding vain and evil speech will prevent this, thereby ensuring the person obtains peace. Finally, those who speak too much often discuss things which are entertaining and fun. This will cause them to adopt a mentality whereby they dislike discussing or listening to serious issues, such as death and the hereafter. This will prevent them from preparing adequately for the hereafter, which will lead to a great regret and a potential punishment. All of this can be avoided if one simply remains silent from sinful and vain speech and instead only speaks good words. Therefore, the one who is silent in this way will be saved from trouble in this world and from punishment in the next world.